and I'm having your valuable support since decade. I'm very thankful to my parents also. Without wasting, I'm going to start my presentation. One thing I want to clear that I'm not here to teach you, I'm just here to share my experience with you. In any surgical department, if we want to start a program, then our father is Maharshi Sushruta. We never forget Maharshi Sushruta to remember, because he is the father of surgery. He was the first plastic surgeon in the world. He has given the Sandhana Karma, means reconstructive surgery, which we are knowing right now, nowadays. Rhinoplasty, it is a Nasa Sandhan. Otoplasty or lobuloplasty, it is a Karna Sandhan. Hair lip is a Ost Sandhana, which is given in a Sushruta Samhita Sutrasthan 16th chapter, and the name is Karna Vyada Vidhi Bandhadhyaya. Today I am whatever going to say, it is documented data. This is the real images of the Sushruta Samhita, that is about the Nasa Sandhan. And this is rhinoplasty. First heterotransplantation in the world. It was done by the Ashwini Kumar, when head of the god, that is to the Raja King Dutt. It is a reference, importance of Shalya Tantra in Sushruta Samhita, chapter number 1. At that time they were doing the anatomical dissection, which we are doing in our colleges. At that time, surgery during the ancient time and anesthesia, they are giving the Madhyapan for anesthesia. At that time, Vednasthapan Dravyas are there, Sangnasthapan Dravyas are there. Sangnasthapan means restoration of the orientation. This is the cutting that I got from 5 days before paper. That આપણે અત્યારે જે તૂટેલા હાડકા પ્લાસ્ટિક સર્જરી જે જોઈને ચમત્કાર વિચાર, that was given years before by the Sushruta. That he has given more than 125 instruments and 300 types of surgery at that time. Documentation is a love letter that you write to your future self. So take home message is that everything, whatever you are doing in your practice, you must document. Yes, we are the world's best and we are bringing the world to the India, Gujarat and Godhra. Because we are having the world's best Shastra treatment. This is the biggest example. That we have treated so many patients from USA, UK, SS, Saudi Arab, Oman, and so many countries across the globe. We are always treating the regular patients from Maharashtra, Rajasthan, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. Because we are having a Shastra, that is our strength. One burning question nowadays, that who can use the latest equipment? Yes, it is not a question about allopathy, Ayurveda or homeopathy. This is all about the perception. Everybody is right at their place. But this is the surgery માં સાધનનો ઉપયોગ થાય એ કોઈ આયુર્વેદ કે એલોપેથ નથી. It is a science. And a paper cutting, now I am going to deal with documented data. કોઈ પણ જાતની સર્જરી થાય, that was mentioned as અષ્ટવિધ શસ્ત્રકર્મ, છેદન વેદન લેખન વેદન એશન આરણ વિશ્રવણ and a C1. This is what actually Chedan is an excision. Chedan is excision, Vedan is incision, Lekhan is scraping, Vedan is puncturing, Eshan is probing, Aharan is extraction, Visravan is drainage, and C1 is suturing. This all we are doing right at day. It was given by the Sushruta. That is the Ashtavid Shastrakarma. What are the Chedanavadi? Chedan means excision. He has mentioned that Bagandhara, Chedya Bagandhara Arsha Charma Kila means we can do the Chedan, excision of fistula, piles and warts. He has given Arsha treatment, piles treatment, and clear cut લખ્યું છે કેવા પાઇલ્સમાં ટ્રીટમેન્ટ મેડિસિન થી કરવી, કેવા પાઇલ્સને ક્ષાર કર્મ કરવું, કેવા પાઇલ્સમાં અગ્નિ કર્મ કરવો અને ક્યારેક શસ્ત્ર કર્મ કરવું. જ્યારે પાઇલ્સ એકદમ ન્યુ હોય, અચિરકાલ, અલ્પ દોષ હોય, ઓછા દોષ ઇન્વોલ્વ હોય, ન્યુઅર હોય, તો આપણે એને મેડિસિન થી ટ્રીટ કરી શકીએ છીએ. Arsha of medicine. Then when it is soft, extensive, મૃદુ પ્રસુત, then ક્ષાર કર્મ, કર્કશ સ્થિર, hard and rough હોય ત્યારે અગ્નિ કર્મ, અને in a clay work piles we can do the shastra karma. At that time, he had given the instrument, he has given the name like Pashumukh and Pakshimukh. The instruments are resembled like a animal joint bird beak. He has given Swastik Yantra, Shandaz, Tal, Nadi and Shalaka Yantra. Shalaka means probe, Nadi Yantra we can correlate with the instrument we are using in colonoscopy and gastroscopy. You can see the resemble between the nowadays instrument, these all are the modification of the instrument. Now we are working with the two parallel operation theaters for anorectal surgery. We are having two hydraulic table, two trolley. We are having two OT lights and two monitors. Even right now we are having the latest model of the vessel sealer. That's why I said who can use that instrument. I am going to show you Chedan Karma with the instrument. You see the beautiful separation. This is our newer vessel sealer. Within a second it is going to cut the piles. First live vessel sealer hemorrhoidectomy at the national level. It was done in 2019 as the youngest anorectal surgeon by me in the National Institute of Ayurveda, Jaipur in 2019. There is some memory.
Vessel sealer from the beginning. Most of the surgery what we have seen,
where 500 eminent proctologists from across the country were together, and I have represented 3711 extra-internal 4-degree piles, and this is the result after 10 minutes. Yes, one more message from the Acharya Charak. He was a wanderer and he was moving around the India for getting a knowledge. सब कुछ किताबों में लिखा हुआ नहीं होता, उसके लिए हमें नई नई जगह ढूंढनी पड़ती है, नई नई चीजें को देखनी पड़ती है. Then you are getting updated. Sushu Sahita में लिखा है उभयग्नो ही भेषक राजा हो भवति, means the surgeon was having the practical and theoretical knowledge, which is become popular. Who is become popular? He is Dr. Arun Rojanasakul. He is the best cadaver dissection surgeon in the world. He is Pankaj Garg. આમાંથી આપણે ફિસ્ટુલાના ક્લાસિફિકેશનમાં 5 ક્લાસિફિકેશન ભણ્યા છે, સાંભળ્યું પણ હશે બધાએ. This is documented that a PARS has given classification in 1976. Nowadays people are following Dr. Garg because his data is based on the MRI, and right now we are doing MRI for fistula. Yes, we have learned so many things along with the Kshar Sutra. This is stoppage. If pus is collected in the intersphincteric place here, this is the case which I had done today only. I had edited my slide in the afternoon. This is MRI case. This is a pus at the perirectal region. It is a collection in the rectum. I have done intertropic transanal opening of the intersphincteric face. You can see this video. I had drained pus from the internal opening between the external and internal sphincter. This is the depth. It is reaching up to the anus, and we have to make a dressing from here. These are all the shortcuts. Earlier, what we are doing, કે ફિસ્ટુલાની લાંબી ટ્રેપ આપણે અહીંથી ક્ષારસૂત્ર નાખી ઇન્ટરનલ ઓપનિંગ સુધી 400 મહિના ચાલે. But no, nowadays updation is that we are doing the interception of the fistulous tract with application of the ksharsutra. We are cutting the tract between from the intersphincteric space, and we are keeping ksharsutra in this place only. We are leaving this remaining tract. We are getting a result in 20 to 30 days. This is the beautiful correlation along with the ksharsutra. The older authentic ksharsutra, they are just keeping the ksharsutra. We are doing partial fistulectomy with ksharsutra. We are doing propis with ksharsutra. We are doing iftak with ksharsutra. Because of that message, charati iti charaka, wandering around the world. Now I am dealing with the limitation with ksharsutra. At all places, ksharsutra work nathi kartu. No doubt, best results, but sometimes we are getting limitations. If the disease is supralevator, when levatorni muscles ni upar bas collection hoy, means it is in the pelvis or in the abdominal disease, then it is our limitation. If it is secondary to the other disease like tubercular, HIV and Crohn's disease, then also we are not getting a result. When internal opening is high, we are getting a result in low rectal opening, but when it is high rectal opening, then we cannot do anything. Friends, anything done with passions that become an art, and we are doing our surgery with passions. And it is very tough to get a smile on a pious patient. And one always look brighter and beautiful when you are seeing the smile on your patient's face. And and every day I'm searching for such type of beautiful smiles. Thank you, friends.